Did you know that nearly 1 million seabirds die per year due to pollution in our oceans? Additionally, 30,000 dolphins are caught in old sea nets, and 100,000 mammals die each year due to the plastic in our oceans. Marine life is dying due to our negligence as society, and our overuse of plastic and disposables are quickly destroying oceanic ecosystems. Thousands of pounds of garbage are being dumped into our oceans, and the pollution is not going unnoticed. There is a floating pile of garbage collected in our ocean that is double the size of Texas. 18 billion pounds of plastic waste enters our oceans a year. All of that plastic is causing harm to the animals that live in the ocean, from the turtles choking on straws and other pieces of plastic, whales and birds being filled with bits of plastic until they starve to death, and coral reefs covered in plastic bags. Us as individuals must start to make the change. Our oceans cannot clean themselves, and the oceanic animals cannot speak for themselves. Some minor changes for our daily lives that we can make that have a huge impact on the amount of plastic waste we are putting in our oceans and land. The more I learned about my personal impact and my plastic usage that had an impact in our environment, I decided to make some changes. Instead of purchasing plastic water bottles, I bought a reusable water bottle. It also saves you money and doesn't create more plastic waste in our oceans and ultimately in our community. Instead of using a plastic Meyer bag, I opted to get one of the reusable ones. Plastic water bottles and grocery bags are two of the most common found plastic wastes in our oceans, as well as straws. So these are such a minute life change for us, but have such an important environmental impact, as well as choosing not to use a straw or opt to use a metal or a reusable straw are just some small steps that have such a great impact. There are many ways that you can eliminate your plastic usage that also can save you money. I had mentioned that this was about $15, and you could easily save that in about 2 purchases of plastic water bottles. The large bags, the packaging is in plastic as well as the products in plastic, and you just discard those when you're done. Reusing a water bottle is such an important factor in reducing the plastic waste, as well as using a grocery bag that is reusable instead of the plastic ones. You could also recycle these at the store. They have a bin right inside the door if you can't afford these. These are like $2, but and there's just multiple ways that you could eliminate your plastic bag usage. Some other things you could do to reduce your impact would be buying things in bulk. It'll save you a few more dollars, and it will reduce the plastic you discard. As I'd mentioned, recycling your plastic, such an important factor in keeping our oceans and our earth clean. And then also finding out about local recycle centers or your waste management recycling policy. Those are just a few great steps in reducing your plastic usage. And by eliminating our plastic use and recycling the plastic that we do use, it creates such a significant difference in our oceanic and land ecosystems. And such as like the old saying, reduce, reuse, recycle. It's such a valuable piece of advice, and just being aware and being educated are the 2 most important steps in creating a better and cleaner tomorrow. Thank you.